I just wanted to give an official shout out to a friend of mine, an old friend of mine, Habeeb Akande, who during my Jeff rampage last week on holiday, talking about all these books that I've read. Meanwhile, my own friend is a co-author of many books I've read, not one. And he very, very kindly has gifted me 2 of his books. So Kunyaza and also Women of Desire, Habeeb Akande. I'm super excited to read these books. I feel like they are very much in the space of female, well, this is Kunyaza's Africa's Secret to Female Pleasure, and Women of Desire is Women of Desire, a guide to passionate love and sexual compatibility, sexually empowered women. I feel like these books are going to give me some great insight into a lot of things, and just in my line of work as like a heels dance teacher, but more so as a purveyor of confidence for women and embracing all of ourselves as women, which does include our sensual energy and our sexual energy. I think that there's such a misconception around like who this is for. Like it's meant to be some kind of like enticement for the opposite sex, or some kind, like our exploration of our sensuality is for the entertainment and or I don't know, my personal thing. And I'm not discrediting anybody for whom that is their agenda. Please knock yourself out, sis, and definitely do you, because that is what you're supposed to be doing here. But my personal agenda, if you like, is just for women to really, really feel comfortable and confident in the entirety of what is them. And I feel like in society, we are maybe conditioned to feel like certain energetic spaces in ourselves have to be like compartmentalized, or have to be like shrunk, or have to be like hidden or something. And I'm just like, no. Am I saying, in fact, I'm not even going to say what I'm not saying. What I am saying is that sensuality, sexuality, it is part of who we are. It is part of our power, and like movement in that space, like the classes that I teach, the events and workshops and things that I host, the actual intention behind it is really to elevate confidence and empower women to feel like stand tall, to feel strong, to and it doesn't actually stop on the dance floor. It's not like, oh, we did a dance today, you know, we did our little thing and now we're just, no, it's something that I want to carry into, that does carry, and this is the feedback that I get from the women I teach, that does carry into other spaces and areas in their lives and their careers and their relationships, etc. Yeah, circling back to my books. Thank you so much, Habeeb. I can't wait to read them. And I will share anything any like pearls of wisdom, if not like here, definitely with the women in my network. So thank you. And just as a side note, this Sunday I'm collaborating on an event with a lovely girl called Shanice, and it's called Mirror. We're basically doing mirror work and movement. So it's going to be focused upon looking at ourselves. There's going to be some releasing. I think it's going to require a degree of vulnerability. I'm really excited for the energy that Shanice is going to bring to that session. I'm obviously bringing the movement element and, you know, the tapping into the sensual movement in yourself. But, you know, just reflection. looking at your shadow self, looking at, I think it could get quite uncomfortable maybe, but I know that the ultimate energy of it is to kind of have you release anything that is like holding you back in certain spaces, and to also lean into your sensual self as well as like other parts of yourself. So yeah, I think that's going to be really special and really exciting, and that's this Sunday, the 23rd. I'm going to link her page actually. She's got the tickets on her page. So hit me at LondonBitty, or just go directly to at Hercontinuum and join us on Sunday if you're free.